So in this problem, we need to solve this solution or find the solution to this system. Taking a look at this, I can see that perhaps the easiest way to do this is to try and eliminate the y's. So I'm going to focus on the y's right here. So I'm going to highlight them in red and say I need both of these y's to have a 4 in front of them. Well, the top one doesn't, so I'm just going to take the entire top equation and multiply the entire top equation by 4. Now when I do this, the important part is to remember that that 4 is multiplying every single term that's in that equation. So the new resulting equation that I'm going to get is going to look something like 8x plus 4y equals 7 times 8 is 28. Am I doing that right? Yes, I'm doing that right. And then this equation is just going to remain unchanged, and it's going to be 3x minus 4y equals 5. And now from here you can see that these particular y values right here should be able to cancel if you do the mathematics to make them cancel. So remember, when you're doing the elimination process, you focus on one variable and you need to decide if these are going to get added to make them cancel out, or are they going to be subtracted to make them cancel out. And then you're going to put your answer on this line underneath the black, and it should have an equals right here. So when you do that, you should be able to solve for x. So eventually, after you're done with all of your work, you're going to get x equals and then whatever your answer is right here. Once you have that, you can plug it into any of the original equations. So for example, let's just say if x equals, we'll say 2, because none of them have an x equals 2 as an option, I could say then that in the first equation, 2 times x plus y equals 7, and then say, okay, well, we plugged in 2, so then this would turn into a 4 plus y. Let me actually give a little bit more room here. 4 plus y equals 7. And then when I solve this black equation, I would get that y is equal to 3. So then my answer would be 2 comma 3. But again, all of that is if x equals 2. I haven't solved this for you. I just went ahead and said, once you get your answer, don't forget to plug it back in and then follow your algebra so that you can get whatever your next answer is. So once you get these two numbers, you should be able to figure out which answer is the correct answer for the entire system of equations.